ask, how do you secure your first client or first customer? I can say I had completely quit my career as a journalist, and now we have commissioned a 300 ton per day aluminum ingot plant. It causes challenges like skin disease, cancer disease, lung. So, hi everyone. We have with us Harishvi Mehta from Swarna Aditya Gold Refinery Resource Private Limited. Let's have a talk. Hi, ma'am. First of all, welcome to the show. Yes, hi, Fatima. Thank you for having me. So, first of all, I want to ask, what inspired you to, start this business? What's the story behind the same? Uh, I want to make a special thank you to all the workers of Swarna Aditya. Dr. Raghavendra Gowda, who has been largely instrumental in pulling me into this particular field. It so happened that in 2020, when COVID was at its height, and there were a lot of challenges, environment challenges. Dr. Gowda just called me one day and said that, why don't we get into this e-waste management? It's the next big thing, and it's a very environment friendly, and we can do something very wonderful in this space. Prior to that, I have been a very senior journalist for 2 decades. I've been with CNBC Times now, and I had completely quit my career as a journalist. In my free time, I thought, yeah, why not? If I could do that, why can't I do this? So we decided to take, with a leap of faith, we decided to take the next step forward. And he was very much excited. He said that, we will do a certain invention for a recovery of metal and precious metal from scrap. So basically, what we do is that we take absolute scrap, which is a debris, and it is a big environment hazard to the people. It causes challenges like skin disease, cancer disease, lung. We, as a processor, step in and we process bulk amount of e-waste and recover pure metal, 99.7 purity aluminium, 99.7 purity copper, and 99.99 24 karat gold and silver. So imagine, from complete scrap, which you would actually dismiss as kachada, we step in and we recover the content which is hidden inside through our very special formula. Now, this formula is also patented at the patent office. We have a special formula. We also imported a very special machine from Canada. The leaching agents of this machine is so powerful that in certain electronic waste items, the surface gold comes out in absolutely 2 seconds. So we, in a span of just 3.5 operational years, we set up our first factory in Haryana, Manesar. This was a 2 ton per day, 100 ton capacity unit. It had 200 tons of e-waste machines. We migrated that factory to Honga in Bedgam. And now we have commissioned a 300 ton per day aluminum ingot plant. This will be a state-of-art facility, and we want to make India resilient in resource as well as in e-waste management. We want to be able to set up so many e-waste plants that we can process large amount of e-waste across the length and breadth of country. Apart from that, the big achievement of Swarna Aditya, we are also into resource. We have a huge supply of aluminous laterite and iron ore. So I got my first contract from JSW Cement in 2021. Today, I'm very proud to say that companies like Hindalco, Adani, JSW Cement, the world's third largest aluminum company, all of these companies are buyers to my company. And all of this we have achieved in just 3.5 years, which is sometimes I feel almost impossible to do. In fact, we are already preparing for a main board IPO. And within the next 7 to 8 months, that should be a very strong possibility. So you have told so many names who are your clients. So I want to ask, how do you secure your first client or first customer, I can say? Yeah, it was a very, very lovely experience. I got the permission in 21 from the department. Because I've been a very, very senior journalist, I just, as one of the founders and the CEO of the company, I called JSW Cement. I have interviewed Mr. Parth Jindal and CFO of JSW Cement, Mrs. Sheshagiri Rao, many times on CNBC. I gave a reference to them saying that this is now my new business. And here is where I want to be able to supply aluminous laterite. Because I come from a very different background where I think more scientifically, I want to change the game and I want to be able to give you such a good experience that you get the best material on time without any delay. And you must give me a chance. You will not believe, within 10 days, I received my first PO from JSW Cement of 2 lakh ton. Impressive anywhere. Yes. And we executed all the large contracts till 24. Now we've gone for an upgradation. Our quantity permission is now gone from 2 lakh ton to 60 lakh ton. And we are already expanding very fast in Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Goa. Okay, got it. So, how do you stay motivated in this tough time and all, or handling all these things?
Well, I have a purpose. It is not just about profit. I am launching a very big worker rescue program. What is this program? It is the lowest echelon in the organization that needs to be treated well, that needs to be empowered. So I have taken a pledge that for every milestone that I achieve in terms of profit and sale, I will be rescuing equivalent number of workers. How? By inducting them and training them, or by creating a skill set for them, or giving them outside support. It is these larger milestones that keep me motivated, to be in the game. It's not always about money. The money will come. But there is a larger purpose, a larger agenda that we want to achieve. I also want to get rid of something called a toxic work culture. In every organization, there is a lot of complaint that people are made to work endless hours, not paid very well. It is all these imbalances that Swarna Aditya would like to rectify. We want to have a balanced work hour. We want to be able to compensate the employees fairly. And we also want to be able to
earn a very high amount of profit through discipline and through our program where we will be including them in the entire growth process. Okay. So, ma'am, my last question, what's next for your business? I mean, what's the future plan, something related with your business? Well, we're already working on our sister concern, WaterTech Aerospace. They're going to be a pioneer in space technology. So we are already digressing into a new vertical. Swarna Aditya wants to achieve key milestone. We want to be the biggest supplier to some of the top 5 buyers in India. The world's 3rd largest company, due to certain disclosure norms, I'm unable to give out the name. I have bagged a very high value contract with the 3rd largest aluminium company in the world. The next 2 to 3 years, the focus will be on absolute seamless execution of these large value contracts. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was lovely talking to you. So that was Harishri Mehta with us.